Bagong product tayo from Mychery, and this is the vitamin C serum. So, ito yung vitamin C serum natin. So, this is the oil serum from Mychery. So, ito yung vitamin C kasi, di ba? Yung vitamin C kasi napakasikat nito kasi yung vitamin C is ano siya, master antioxidant. So, ito kasi yung antioxidant na lumalaban sa mga free radicals, katulad ng pagod, puyat, stress, and of course, pollution. So, ito pong vitamin C is may skin brightening properties to. And then, of course, is may anti-aging benefits pa siya. So, again, this blurs imperfections, restores youthful fullness. So, talaga nakakaganda to ng skin, nakakapagpa-brighten ng skin, and this is an antioxidant. So, again, this is a oil, vitamin C oil serum. So, kung makikita nyo, yan yung oil serum natin for face and body. So, pwede mo itong gamitin sa face and body mo. So, ito po, is maganda itong gamitin before your moisturizer, itong serum na to. So, this is, I believe, 100 ml. So, you can check it out. Yan ang serum ng Mychery. And also, we do have eto, may bagong packaging ang ating Cocolox. So, this is our Cocolox body lotion. And this is a coconut, ang main ingredients ito of course is coconut, and of course this is infused with botanical extracts and it restores deep hydration. So kung naghahanap ka ng lotion na makakapagpalambot, nakakapagpakinis at magpapaganda ng balat mo, so ito si Cocolox. So, si Cocolox, this is 300 ml. So, ayan, sulit na sulit po si Cocolox natin. So, ayan ang Cocolox natin. So, you can check it out. And also, we do have this baby products. So, ito po, yung mga ano natin para sa mga baby. And then, also, again, ito pa po. So, makikita nyo pa rin sa likod ko, yan yung mga perfumes natin, yan yung mga shampoo natin. So, available pa rin siya. So, you can check it out sa basket and you can check it out on my product link. So, thank you.